The PSPROJ file contains your complete Premiere Pro editing session, every cut, transition, and effect arrangement in your video timeline. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and manage these professional video editing projects. My experience tells me that some PSPROJ files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. PSPROJ files are project files from Adobe Premiere Pro containing video editing timeline data, including clip arrangements, transition effects, color grading settings, audio mix configurations, and sequence definitions. They store the complete editing workspace linking to source media files for professional video production. Adobe Premiere Pro PSPROJ files use a compressed binary format, storing sequence timelines with clip references, in-out points, transition definitions, effect parameters, keyframe animations, audio channel configurations, and project metadata. The format links to external media files rather than embedding video data. For direct reading of PSPROJ content, the best choice is Adobe Premiere Pro, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can display most videos, but advanced encoding or repair requires specialized tools. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the PSPROJ file and hit Open with. Test Adobe Premiere Pro if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If you still cannot open your PSPROJ file, that is okay. Given the proprietary nature of this PSPROJ file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, opening in Premiere Pro. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro and open the PSPROJ file using File, then Open Project. The project loads with all sequences, bins, and media references. If prompted to locate missing media, use the Link Media dialog to reconnect source files that have moved since the project was last saved. Next, managing media links. If Premiere reports offline media use, File, then Link Media to reconnect missing source files. Browse to the new location of moved files and Premiere updates, all references throughout the project. Use the Media Browser panel to verify all clips are properly connected before resuming editing work. Finally, project recovery. If the PSPROJ file is corrupted, check for autosave versions in the Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder located in the project directory. Open the most recent autosave file to recover your work. Enable project autosave in Preferences and set frequent save intervals to minimize potential data loss. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.